Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, September 10th. Yeah, so what's going on? Good morning from forexfactory.com calendar. You can take a look at what's going on here. We just had the 8:30 numbers come out, the core PPI month over month and PPI month over month. They are both negative. So the market loved this and spiked to the upside, at least initially. So what does this mean? PPI is producer price index. This is the amount of this is the price that finalized services are being charged to customers, and they were down. So this is good for inflation, but it also signals that demand maybe not so good. This is very recessionary. This is not good for the economy. So while it's not good for the economy, it is good for interest rates, which is why the market spiked. 10 a.m. we have final wholesale inventories month over month. 10:30 crude oil inventories. 1:01 p.m. we have the 10-year bond auction, and that is it for today. Taking a look at charts, you can see that we have now gapped up and are well above the all-time high. Yeah, and this is even after overnight we heard that there was some incursion into Poland from Russia, and that U.S. jets, Poland, and I think one other country was involved in scrambling their jet fighters, and it really didn't do anything to the market at all. So I don't know if it was just a rumor, if it's true, who knows? But right now we are up at all-time highs. This behavior is just beyond belief because the negativity going on in the market fundamental wise just doesn't match the price action. That being said, hey, lower interest rates is a good thing, right? And it is very bullish. Obviously, it's more bullish than the underlying problems that may cause the Fed to react and lower interest rates, which is quite the conundrum. Volume was average yesterday, nothing to be upset about. Still an uptrend above the moving averages. Not a lot to talk about there on that chart. Looking at the intraday inventory positive price action, we actually had negative inventory. Maybe this is the beginning of the smart money starting to move out now that we are getting so toppy. Don't know, but certainly some profit taking going on here. That's exactly what that was. They were selling into this move up. So there you go. There you have it. Now you see the big spike from the PPI data. Moving on. Looking at the overnight action, there's the big pow boomerang move up, and now it's coming back down. As the news sinks in, we'll see how that all pans out. So that obviously changes our overnight range. So it was 21, and we're gonna have to add almost 20 to that. So about a 40-point overnight move, counting this move here. That is well above average, about twice average. So volatility certainly here as we speak. We can actually see that. Support resistance, we're in nosebleed here. We're in all-time highs. No idea. These are guesstimations. 65, 59, 65, 84 as potential resistance. Support, at least we have some data for support, not a whole lot. There's some at 65.29, the overnight low 65.26, some confluence around 65.08, another little zone here 64.91 and 64.74 our support. So yeah, is what it is. Trade what you see, not what you think. Stock Traders Almanac 76.2, 76.2, huge positive bias from historics from the Stock Traders Almanac for today. There you have it, folks. That is the story. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.